Measurement settings. Click on the measurement button from the sidebar. Click on Browse Image. Select the image for measurement. Select any tool from toolbar. After using the tool on the image, the user can change the colors, thickness, etc. Text properties. User can change the color, thickness, and font size of the text. Click the mic button to start speech to text. Dictate and your speech will be converted into text. Now the text can be placed anywhere in the image. Toolbar settings. The user can change the color of measurement, text, text border, and text background as well as the background. Hold or toggle Control and drag to move the text anywhere on the image. After selecting transparent text background, the background and border will be removed.